Thomas Raggi is a famous Italian musician, professional guitarist, composer, social media influencer, and entrepreneur. He and his bandmates are recognized for having been crowned the victors of the 2021 Eurovision Song Contest. He and his bandmates met while attending a high school in Montevideo, Rome. They chose their name after registering for the local contest Pulse. In late 2021, he performed at the Piazzetta dello Sport and Mediolanum Forum. He performs alongside Damiano David in Maneskin. He rose to stardom as a member of the Italian pop rock band Maneskin. Moreover, the band rose to fame after ending up second in the 11th season of the Italian talent show X Factor in 2017. The band won the Sanremo Music Festival 2021 and the Eurovision Song Contest 2021 as the Italian representative in the latter with the song Zitti a Buoni. Thomas Raggi is a popular member of the band named Maneskin. The band members first met each other as students of the same high school in Montevideo, Rome. They decided to start a band in 2016. The band's name was chosen when they had to register for Pulse, a local music contest for emerging bands. In 2017, they took part in the 11th season of the Italian talent show X Factor. The song they performed during the show, Chusena, was released as a single on 24 November 2017 by Sony Music and charted at number 2 on the Italian FIMI singles chart. The band has announced a new album by the end of the year with 4 concert dates at Piazzetta dello Sport and Mediolanum Forum in December 2021. Maneskin, they made themselves known for a few years thanks to their participation in X Factor talent in which they had arrived only seconds. The young people, however, continued to work to their pieces, churning out a series of hit of songs from the unforgettable refrain, and so little by little they arrived on the stage of Sanremo, where they easily conquered the victory. The boys could not be any more excited, and even if the controversy in these hours are continuing to celebrate, one might presume rock fans in 2021 would welcome the mainstream triumph of a song like Begin, a tune with rock hallmarks such as the electric guitar and live drums. But the chart where the group in most excelling alternative exhibits Maneskin's neck in rock's pop vein instead of hard rock or metal. For mainstream rock airplay, Maneskin currently only have one song, I Wanna Be Your Slave.